Tired of making designs that nobody buys? It's probably because you're making designs in the wrong niche. But not anymore, because in this video, I'll show you the most trending print-on-demand and digital product niches for Q3 of 2025 so you can catch trends early, create designs people actually want, and boost your sales fast. So now without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So now let's start with our first niche. That is back to school season. This niche is booming right now because students, parents, and teachers are all gearing up for the new school year. From mid-July through early September, there's a massive surge in demand for school-related products, especially personalized or themed apparel, tote bags, shirts, stickers, and stationery items. Think teachers, first day of school, grade levels, funny student quotes, school clubs, homeschooling, and even proud parent or sibling tees. You can create back-to-school digital shirt designs, like this one, or in a more cute style like this one. We can also sell printable flashcards for preschool activities, like here. You can see they're very easy to create and you don't even need to create thousands of them. You can also create stickers, bundles. And one of the best products under this niche are worksheets. You can create fun worksheets for kindergarten activities. This is one of the best-selling products under this niche. Now let's check out our next niche. That is Cats Day. Under the Cats niche, I've given target audiences and dates, so make sure to upload designs before these dates. The cat niche is one of the most evergreen and profitable in the pod space, and it's still going strong in Q3 of 2025 as 8 August is Cats Day. People love their pets like family, and cat lovers are especially known for buying funny, cute, or relatable merch. You can create customizable shirts as many owners would like to buy designs with their own car in it, and it is very popular also. On the other hand, funny designs are popular under any niche, so you should definitely create funny cat designs. You can also make a lot of sales by creating designs for mugs under this niche. They are very popular and people like to buy mugs that express their interest. You can create very unique and interesting mug designs with cats niches. For example, you can create customizable mugs for cat owners like this one. It has humor and it looks very cute. Another great example of a great mug design is this one. It is funny, uses great fonts and elements that make it look very attractive and leaves a great impression. And if you don't know how to create or where to find fitting elements for your design, then you can simply go to Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a one-stop destination for all your designing needs, from assets, elements to fonts, and everything you need to create a great and best-selling design. I personally use Creative Fabrica to create designs, so you should definitely check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's check out our next trending niche. That is Book Lovers Day. This niche is perfect for Q3. Book Lovers Day is a micro-holiday with big potential, especially on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. There are many great products that you can sell to make a lot of sales, like this digital reading journal. It's very popular among readers. As you can see, 11 people bought it in just 24 hours. You can also create digital book trackers as they are very popular. Just keep in mind to know what to add in them and they should look appealing. As for book lovers, aesthetics are very important. And you can always create digital shirt designs, mugs designs, and other popular products like stickers. Just to keep in mind to use elements and themes related to book lovers, and this niche will make you a lot of sales. Now let's move forward to our next trending niche. That is Son and Daughters Day. This is a sentimental and gift-driven niche that's gaining traction each year. Parents, especially moms, love buying cute or heartfelt tees, mugs, and keepsakes for their kids or even matching outfits. We can create digital posters like this one here with daughter meaning. You can always create designs separately for daughters and sons, like mother-daughter, father-daughter designs, etc. And we can always create funny designs under this niche, like this one here. And as you can see, this niche has great demand and sales potential, so you should definitely try this niche. Now let's check out our next trending niche for Q3. That is International Dogs Day. This is a huge opportunity in Q3 for pet-related print-on-demand and digital products. Dog lovers love to celebrate their furry friends, and this day drives tons of emotional, gift-based, and impulse purchases, especially on platforms like Etsy, Amazon. You can create various products for this niche like coloring pages. This product is very popular these days as many people are taking coloring as a hobby. You can create stickers, shirt designs, mugs, and posters, and many others. Start designing now to catch the early shoppers and make the most of this high-potential niche. Now let's check out our next trending niche. That is Labor Day. Labor Day isn't just a public holiday, it's a goldmine for patriotic, worker pride, and weekend celebration merch. From BBQ parties to union pride and blue-collar appreciation, it's a great time to tap into themes of hard work, rest, and American spirit. Think designs for truckers, nurses, teachers, construction workers, etc., and stickers or wall art with labor quotes or American flags. Use fun and bold weekend slogans and you will definitely be able to make sales because of this niche. Now let's check out our next trending niche. That is Father's Day. While most of the world celebrates Father's Day in June, Australians honor their dads in September, which means there's a unique opportunity for print-on-demand sellers during Q3 that many creators overlook. This is your chance to reuse and repurpose your Father's Day designs from earlier in the year, or even create new, localized ones that speak directly to the Aussie audience. You can create customizable Father's Day gifts like this one, or you can create best dad designs, funny dad quotes, etc. And as you can see here, many sellers are selling digital stickers and mug designs also. One of the best-selling products under this niche are digital shirt designs, classic dad jokes, BBQ themes, or retro typography styles, sentimental quotes or funny Aussie phrases. Pro tip: use Australian spelling, flag colors, or cultural references to make your designs feel authentic. Start promoting by mid-August to capture early shoppers. Now let's check out our next trending niche. That is National Video Games Day. National Video Games Day is a perfect opportunity to tap into the massive gaming community, a niche that's passionate, loyal, and always ready to show off their love for gaming through creative merch. This holiday sparks conversation across social media and streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube, which makes it great for trending designs. You can create printable and digital products like this game tracker, or you can always create gaming stickers, funny gaming quotes designs, etc. Another great product you can make designs for are prints and posters. These products are super popular among gamers and everyone wants them for their gaming setup and gaming room. Just use gaming elements like console, headset, mouse, keyboard, etc., and you can make great looking designs. Now let's check out our last trending niche of this video. That is National Grandparents' Day. National Grandparents' Day is a heartfelt, gift-driven holiday that often flies under the radar, but it has huge potential in the print-on-demand space, especially for sellers who specialize in personalized and sentimental products. Best grandma ever, sentimental quotes, sweet or funny designs, names, dates, grandchild drawings, custom messages, and photos make for meaningful, unique gifts. Since it's not as widely marketed as Mother's or Father's Day, you have a better chance of standing out with well-targeted designs. So this sums up this video, guys. Are you going to use any of these niches? Please let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.